Yibunei HaMikdash, Hirtzio inte malai, O korles ozman.
Shalom, friends. This week in Parshas Vayera, we meet Amram Avinu, our patriarch Abraham, running out in the heat of the day to welcome three strangers with open arms, a lavish feast, and 0 questions asked. It's the ultimate lesson in Hachnasas Orchim, welcoming guests, because in Judaism, every guest could be an angel in disguise. What if that guest tests you, even hurts you? Let's dive into a real-life hero who lived this out. Enter Rabbi Amram Blau, the fiery leader of Neturei Karta in Jerusalem, a staunch anti-Zionist who fought for his beliefs with passion. But in his home, he was legendary for hospitality. His doors were always open, day or night, to travelers, scholars, and even homeless strangers off the street. One story stands out. A guest arrived, poor, unkempt, and full of rage. Night after night, this man lashed out verbally at Rabbi Blau and his family, hurling insults, demanding more, testing their limits with emotional barbs that would break most hosts. Whispers spread, "Why endure this? Send him away." But Rabbi Blau, he smiled, served an extra portion, and said, "A guest is a gift from Hashem. We welcome the soul, not just the smile." He housed that man for weeks, turning cruelty into kindness, proving Abraham's way is not just ancient wisdom, it's revolutionary today. Now imagine this, Rabbi Blau, the ultra-Orthodox, non-Hasidic anti-Zionist, forging a deep friendship with President Zalman Shazar of the State of Israel. Shazar, secular, a proud Zionist, and from a Lubavitcher Hasidic family, yet worlds apart in ideology. However, they bonded over Torah, poetry, and a shared love for the Jewish soul. Every Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur, despite the chasm, Zalman Shazar chose Rabbi Blau's modest synagogue in Mea Shearim for services. Picture it, the shofar blasts, the heartfelt prayers. Then, after Shazar's election as Israel's president in 1963, some congregants grumbled. He's the head of the Zionist state. How can he daven here? Tensions rose. Whispers turned to protests. But Rabbi Blau, he stood firm at the bima. "Reb Zalman here is as welcome as any Jew walking through these doors," he declared. "His title changes nothing. Treat him with the same respect as before. No honors, no special seats. Don't change just because he's the president. But nothing changes up and down. Because in Hashem's house we're all equals under the king." And so Zalman Shazar returned year after year. Their friendship, a quiet bridge across the divide. Just like Abraham welcomed strangers who challenged everything, turning potential foes into messengers of blessing, Rabbi Blau showed us that true friendship isn't erased by politics or prayer styles. It's forged in shared humanity. In a world screaming divisions, let's be like our father Avraham Avinu, and let's be like Rabbi Amram Blau. Open the tent, extend the hand, and remember every connection honors the divine spark in us all. So how do you build bridges with friends who disagree with you, politically, religiously, or otherwise? Drop your tips in the comments below. I like to read them all. Like, share, and subscribe for more Torah wisdom, and shalom. May your week be filled with holy welcomes.
Yibunei HaMikdash, Hirtzio inte malai.